What are we doing today? Oh yeah, mugs. Cool. What's going on, everybody? Rodeo Bo here. Today we're going to be talking about mugs, and if you know me, I've got a mug problem. I like mugs a little too much. That's right. Here at Conde Systems, we've got two amazing mug presses. We've got the DK3 over here, the DK3, the George Knight DK3 mug press. It's a great single mug press. We also over here have the George Knight DK3D. That's right, this one can do two mugs at one time. That's right, two mugs at one time. It can do the skinny tumblers. It can also do the 30-ounce skinny tumblers like the Tum 232 here. And you may have noticed, I've got the mugs out in front of me. We got the classic Mug 11 here. This mug here is the #1 seller here at Conde Systems, and there's many reasons why. It imprints fantastic. What we got here is we've got the 15-ounce Deco-Mug 15K. The K stands for the black on the inside, just like I like my coffee. All right, so we're gonna be doing this one in one of these two presses here. We'll find out in a little bit. First, we gotta get to printing. We're gonna be doing our printing from an Epson F570 printer. This is a 24-inch desktop printer. Give us a call at 1-800-826-6332 to find out more about Epson and all of these great products. All right, cue the montage. All right, so now we're at the point we're gonna cut out our transfers real quick, all right? Once you get your transfers cut out, you're going to want to get some premium heat tape, all right? Just put that on the side for now. Then you are going to lay your transfer down on the table and place your mug over top. Go ahead and wrap your mug towards the handle. What I like to do is I like to use my thumb to kind of center my design on the mug. Then just go ahead and put some tape on each side, like so. Great, we're gonna do that for the other ones, and then we're gonna come back to pressing. All right, so now we got our mugs all wrapped up, and we are ready to go. Let's do it. All right, so I already have my DK3 set up. It's all ready to go. What I do is I like to take a mug with nothing on it, I put it in there, and I go ahead and I check my pressure. You just want just enough pressure that it's a little hard to close. If you're using too much pressure, you can break the handle off of your mug, and that is way too much pressure, all right? So to adjust your pressure, there's a black knob here. You just go ahead and turn that. We're gonna be doing this. This is the Mug 11. It sublimates at 400 degrees for about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. But always double check Conde.com to make sure you are using the correct instructions. I guess while that one's cooking, we can come in here and adjust our pressure on our DK3D. You want to have the same pressure on both sides. It's got the black little screw here. Just go ahead and tighten that a little bit. There we go. And then we'll go ahead and we will put the mug in the other side. Make sure that one closes. Good. Good. I think we're good to go on that one. All right, the mug is just finishing up here. We're gonna give it a few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's see what happens here. Something too is you might wanna have a pair of heat gloves around just in case you need them. But what you just gotta do is just go ahead and just find a corner. Oh man, oh man, oh man. This one is special. Look at that, look at that. We got our Buck Wild. We are gonna get Buck Wild with this one. Let's come in for the close-up cam. All right, we're going to move on now. We got our Buck Wild here done. We're going to put that over here for the time being. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and we are going to do our 2 mugs, 1 time, DK3D right here. That's right, 2 mugs, 1 time, DK3D. That is right. All right, so we're going to go ahead. We're going to make sure our time is set for 4 minutes and 30 seconds. We're going to go ahead and do these at 400 degrees. Again, I cannot stress this enough. Conde.com, double, triple, quadruple check your instructions. Go to Conde.com, make sure you are using the right instructions for the right product. Conde.com, check out the instructions. All right, let's go. We'll load in our first one on this side, and then we will load our second one in on the next side. All right, we're going to go ahead and get these in here. They are in, and then we're just going to go ahead and press. Here we go. And remember, when you close your press, you just want enough pressure on there. You don't want to be pressing and breaking any handles. We got a lot of things going on at Conde. Everything is changing daily. Go ahead and check out Conde.com or give your sales rep a call. Go ahead, rep your call your sales rep, 1-800-826-6332, or email us at salesteam@Conde.com. All right, so it looks like our mugs are almost done. Let's go ahead and pull them out of our DK3D mug press, George Knight. All right, here we go. We'll just go ahead and we will set them down right here for just a second. What I'd like to do is I would like to get this mug press started over here with our 15-ounce mug. So we are just going to go ahead and, since the mug is a little bit bigger, we're just going to go ahead and decrease the pressure on there just a little bit. And I've got my trusty one here. We're going to go ahead and see what we can do on that. Yeah. You just got to go ahead and turn your handle there so you find a good pressure. There we go. All right. So this is our Deco-Mug 15K. Check it out, Conde.com. Call your rep, 1-800-826-6332. That's right, we're going to put it in here. This is going to cook at the same time, 400 degrees, for 4.5 minutes. But always check Conde.com. That's right. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and see what we're just going to go ahead and take a peek at our transfer here. All right. Oh, look at that. I like that. I like that. Look at that. Look at that there. We've got this right here. How cute is that? Santa's favorite elf. That's right. That's me, Santa's favorite elf. Didn't know if you know that, but that's another gig of mine. Santa's favorite elf. We'll put that there. Remember, they are hot. Remember, hot. Yeah, let's see what we got in here. Just go ahead and remove this. So here we go. We got our 2 mugs here. 1 time, 2 mugs. Look at that. Classic, clean, you know me. I like geometric patterns, stuff like that. Awesome. So here we go. We got our 2 mugs. We've got our 3rd mug over here. And we've got our last mug over here cooking in the oven. Let's go. Who doesn't love mugs? I mean, who doesn't want an entire kitchen, their whole kitchen, just full of mugs? Open that cabinet. Yep, that's the mug cabinet. What about that one? Oh, that's the mug cabinet too. You've got so many mugs. That is the greatest kitchen ever. How much love could be found in that kitchen? That's what you need right there. I'll tell you that right now. That's right. We're almost finishing up here. Don't forget, we got the DK3D George Knight. Quality product. We'll be doing a video pretty soon on tumblers in the George Knight DK3D because I know you guys want it. Then we're going to be pulling this out over here, checking out our 15-ounce mug over here. That is right. That is right. What do we got? We got another few seconds here. We can go ahead and shout out Conde.com. Thank you, Conde.com. Best customers in the world. That's right. Best customers. All right, here we go. We're going to pull this out and we are going to look at it in all of its beauty. Now remember, mugs stay hot for a very, very long time. All right, here we go. Let's see how we did here. All right, let's pull it out. And yeah, you can see that this one is done. You can see the colors coming through. You can see the transfer coming through the paper. That means you are pretty good to go. Just go ahead and find a corner there. And yeah. Let's unwrap this beauty. Oh yeah, would you look at that? Sassy and classy, just like I like my coffee. All right, well, if you had half as much fun as I did during this, and I know you did, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, check out Conde.com, give your rep a call. That's right, rep your calls. 1-800-826-6332, Conde.com. See you later. Bye.